Hey everybody, it's Patrick Storch with the mortgage firm in Tampa with this week's Firm Facts. Hey, did you know? This week I just want to chat with you a little bit about the new FAR/BAR contract for 2017. It's a new version coming out in April, and there's just a few things that I want to touch on. So one of the things is the new loan terms. There are no more commitment periods. It's called loan approval. The loan approval is now gone back to the 30-day mark and not the 45-day mark because of TRID. So that's new, going back to the old way, no commitments anymore, loan approval. Very important to remember that. So there's the buyers and us giving them a approval letter. That has changed also. The lender now can just give a verbal approval, but the buyers need to give the seller it in writing. Now it can just be an email saying, hey, my loan's approved. You don't have to go over the personal conditions of the approval. Now the lender, we're still going to send the buyer a loan approval with what conditions are on there, but it's changed, so you really need to pay attention to that. So another one I want to talk to you about is when a loan is never approved. I know that sounds weird, but if you have a house that you have to sell and it's a contingent upon you getting a loan, you will never get a loan approval. We're not allowed to send it out. If you have a house that you need to sell, I'm saying this again, if you have a house that you need to sell, you will not get a loan approval. We can't do it. So it's very important. So when you're taking a new contract, or if you have a buyer that's contingent upon their house selling, the lender will not be able to give a loan approval until that actual house sells. Let's say it sells a little bit, a week or two before closing, then we might be able to send something out. So there's a lot more to the contract, but those are just a couple things I wanted to touch base on. So we have a link to a full video. We'd like for you to click on it, and it'll give you all the information for the whole FAR/BAR contract. And just give us a call here at the office. We'd love to help you out with anything we can.